All right, happy Wednesday to all my amazing realtors out there. I want to share this video today, and I'm going to be sending you guys usually one a week on Wednesdays to help you guys with ins and outs on some loans, not just to purely educate you, but to hopefully get some clients in your pocket and into your pipeline where you can actually go, hey, I know a solution for you and I got somebody that can help. My goal is to literally help if any client comes in, they shouldn't get left if there's a loan product for them. So today I want to talk about down payment assistance programs because there's so much misinformation about these, it's insane. The first thing I want to talk about is don't be just so caught up on the state programs, okay? Because there's national programs and there's county programs, and not all lenders are gonna offer all three. A lot of lenders are just gonna push the state program because that's all they're set up with. And I can't tell you the tons and tons of calls I get where a client goes, I was told I can't do a down payment assistance loan either because of my credit score, I make too much, or I'm not a first-time home buyer. And that's where these national programs come in, okay? And there's a couple of them, right? And just to name a few, right? There's Chinoa Funds, there's Click and Close, there's Orion, there's this TPO Dynamo product. And if you haven't heard of some of these, it's because usually probably where your clients go to is a lot of banks, local banks, credit unions, and they're not going to be set up with these national programs because these national programs are going to require a lot of different setup between the two of them, and a lot of banks don't want to mess with them. Plus, they don't want to have them on their books. So there's a lot that goes into it. And here's a couple cool features I want to share with you, okay? Number one, with these national programs, a lot of them are pure grants. That way that the client doesn't have to pay it back if they refinance or sell. Super cool, okay? Two, a lot of them don't have income limits, okay? That's where this saves a lot of people, right? And three, they allow co-signers, and they allow things where you don't even have to be a first-time home buyer at all. They could be selling a house right now, buying another one, but just don't have the funds, right? So that's one of the really coolest things that you need to know about these is that they're amazing and they're a tool that you need to have for your customers, okay? Now, this is where a lot of other things come into play. When lenders will push it, I got this program for you, right? But then the issue with these state programs is they usually have these second mortgages, which hurts the customer down the road when they want to try to refinance, let's say a year or two later. They might not have the equity built up, and they might not have the ability then to pay off that second loan, so now the customer can't refinance. That's where these national programs with a pure grant, where literally there's no second mortgage, and they can do streamline refis and regular refis because there's going to be no restrictions, which is so cool. Another cool feature, some counties and states have these county-backed down payment assistance programs that'll cover closing costs and down payment. You just need to know if you're in one of those counties, okay? You can do process of elimination or go, hey, I want you to check with two places, right? Like a person like me, I'm licensed all over the country, so I'm not just in one state. So if you have a customer and you don't live in my city, I might have a product for you where the lenders in your city aren't going to be set up to service you with these other extra down payment assistance programs, all right? So I just want to be an added resource. I don't want to be where I'm trying to take business away from your current local person. I just might have a couple better products if a certain customer comes through that door. So that's where these down payment assistance programs are super powerful. And I know you might be thinking, can you do FHA, VA, USDA, conventional with some of these programs? In a lot of them, you can. Some are restricted, and that's where you're going to need to get more in depth with me and give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd love to break them down with you. Okay, now finally, this is where I want to do like a final kind of down payment assistance recap on this, all right? So when you're looking at this, sometimes what your customer might need is they don't have the down payment and the houses they're looking at are a little rough, so they might want some renovation money. Some of these national down payment assistance programs will allow a renovation loan combined with the down payment assistance program. So they can literally get into the house, no money down, build in the renovation costs into the loan, fix it up to where you don't have to worry about repairs for FHA, which is so cool. So I hope I kind of opened up your eyes and mind to this down payment assistance world. There's so much more to it, and I'd love to chat with you more about it. So let's hop on a call, and I bet within 20 minutes, you'll be equipped to maybe pull some other buyers that aren't under contract that could be, and that's what I want to do for you, help you get more business. So if this helps, let's reach out, let's chat, and I want to help service you. Have a good day. Peace.